Hi everyone, welcome to Niecy's Custom. If this is your first time visiting, you won't regret coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Today we are going to be doing a custom makeup bag. Yes, a custom makeup bag. As you see, I already have my measurements already out. And if you want those measurements, I have in the description box. So let's begin. Okay, as you already see, I have my template up here, and the measurements that I'm using is going to be 9.5 the width and 6 for the height. And I already applied it, so let's get a background, see what we're going to put on there. Let me see. A custom makeup bag. Let me see what would be good. You can do it how you want to do it, but I'm just looking through my oh, that's an Easter one. That would have been good for Easter. The hearts. No, I don't like that too much. I hope everybody is good. I hope everybody had a nice weekend, and I hope everybody's getting adjusted to, even though daylight savings time was just started this morning. I hope everybody changed their clocks. We're gonna do I picked this one right here because when you put on your makeup every morning, you got your makeup bag, you want something to remind you your goals, your vision, your habits, success all day, every day, and you put on your makeup all day, every day. So I think I'm gonna do this right here, and I'm going to put a name on it, and I'm going to put my name. Even though I don't wear makeup, I'm just gonna, oh, you saw that? As soon as I made it bigger, the hearts came on. Change the font. Okay. I'm not gonna do anything fancy or fancy font. I said font. Font. I am so sorry. I'm gonna just do something simple as that. I'm gonna change the color. I'll just put something like a hot pink. Change it to hot pink. And I think I'm going to offset, put a little outline on it. I think I'm going to do a black outline. Okay, I'm going to do it like that. Okay, I'm going to group it together. Okay. And I'm going to put it right up in here. Make that small. I know it don't look good. I know people say, oh, why she did that? That just don't look good. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change it. Let me see. I guess I'll do this. Change my color, and y'all know to get the what is this thing called? The dapper. well, the little squeezy things to get a color. And you know, you can just hit that. Oh, you know, you can hit this and point and put it on the color that you want, and it'll change it to that color. So I guess I change this to black. That's what I'm going to do. Change this to the gold. Oh, look what I did. I'm supposed to be, well, I'm gonna move that anyway, so I can group this Denise group. Now I'm going to put it back. I think I'm gonna shrink it a little bit. I think I'll put it like this. Some people might think it's ugly, but I'm just gonna put it like this. You can make your design wherever you want to, but this is just a quick tutorial on how I make my makeup bag. Like I say, I'm gonna have everything in the description box. So if y'all want to order some, the website will be there and the measurements will be there too. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you how I did it. I went here to the drawing tool and I got the second one and I just drew it out. I don't know why that thing coming out like that. I just drew it out and I just went to my transform panel and I just went to scale and I just did the measurements on it. I just changed the measurements. The width is 9.5, the height is 6. So that's all what I did. Okay. And I'm going to print this. Okay. Let me change my paper real fast because I had to do. Sorry about that. I had to change my paper real fast because I did some t-shirts this weekend and I had to put another type of paper in. Make sure everything's right. Then I'm gonna do two because I'm gonna do it front and back. I'm gonna hit print. Yeah, but this weekend I did some shirts. And once this finished uploading so I can print, I'm gonna show you the shirts I did this weekend. Okie dokie. I'm sorry. I know you're gonna say, "Oh, that's a long pause." She really did a long pause that time. I know. I'm tired. I'm tired. I was so busy this weekend. I had so much to do. And besides, my mother's in the hospital. And I got so much to take care of with her stuff. And I'm going to show you the shirts I did. These are the shirts I did this weekend. I designed it myself. Everything. So let me know in the comments what you think about them. But the people who got the shirt, they are very pleased with them. Yes, they are. Okay. I'm going to let this print. As soon as they finish print, I'm going to come back and we're going to press it. Okay, we're back. What you're going to need for this project, your makeup bag. And it also comes with a wrist clamp or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Sorry. And your heat tape and your image. Now, when I was showing everyone when I was printing it, did you know I forgot to change my papers? I forgot to change it to portrait. It was still in landscape. I forgot to change it to landscape. It was still in portrait. That's what I was supposed to be saying. Okay, what you're going to do with this right here, you're going to take your makeup bag, and this is what I do. I just lay it on top of the image like lots. And I put some tape on it so it won't move. Put it down like that. And we're going to put it on the heat press. Move that out the way. Okay. Let me go up some. Let me go up a little bit. I had to move it up some. Okay. I'm going to press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, once that's finished, you want to take it off. And that's how it's going to look. Oh, maybe if I put it down, you can see it. And that's how your bag is going to look. That is the end of my tutorial on a makeup bag. Next, we're going to, I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing next because I don't even know what I'm going to do next. Just put it in the description, in the comments, what videos that you would like for me to do. And I will do a tutorial on them. And we'll go from there. And I am going to show everybody that on the last video I said that we're going to do that silk screen from Silhouette, the screen printing. Yeah, we're going to do that too. But in the description, not in the description, but in the comment section, just, you know, tell me what video, what tutorial you want me to do, and I'll go ahead and do them. And everything will be, all the measurements will be in the comment box. Not the comment box, but the description box with the measurements and the website where I got these makeup bags from. Okay, you have a blessed day, and God bless you. Love you.